Hello guys, welcome to today's cooking. Today I'll share with you how I was able to make my first ever basmati jollof rice using just tomato paste. In my pan I added some vegetable oil, added some onion. I'll fry the onion until it became a little translucent. I added my tomato paste. I'll allow it to fry for 15 minutes to get a little dry, just the way you're seeing it. Next I'll be adding my dry chili powder, some salt to taste. And next I'll be adding some bouillon, some nutmeg powder, and next I'll be adding our curry powder, some parsley flakes, some rosemary leaves, parsley leaves, and next I'll be adding our ginger garlic paste. If today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, welcome on board, and to all our returning viewers and to all our new subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. God bless you. I'll stir everything to combine together and allow it to fry for just 10 minutes again. Now I went in with our stocky stock. I've had the stocky stock in the freezer, so I just brought it out and I'll be using it for this jollof rice. I'll give it a stir for everything to come together and fry for just 3 minutes more. Now I'll be adding our basmati rice. I washed for up to 4 times to get rid of starch, dirt and dust. I'll stir to combine everything. Remember, for basmati you don't pre-cook, you just wash thoroughly and cook. I'll stir for everything to come together, for everything to incorporate very well. Now I'll be adding my crayfish powder. Stir for the final time, and now I'll be adding some warm water. Remember, for your jollof rice you do not need excess water. All you need is just a little water. For jollof rice you just need the steam. The steam is what does the cooking. Just a little water is okay. You don't have to overflood your jollof rice with excess water. 30 minutes later, this is what we'll have cooking on the medium heat. Guys, look at the face of that first ever basmati jollof rice made by me. Now I'll be adding some Titus fish, and we have some boiled eggs I'll be adding also. I'll combine for everything to come together. I wouldn't want to be selfish by eating all the protein in this food, so I have to combine. Whoever gets what, then it's that way. Now our food is ready. If you like what you see, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to share. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you to all our new subscribers. Thank you to all our returning viewers. God bless you. Your support means a lot to me. I'll be seeing you again in my next